Ranked number 9 out of the world's most ecologically diverse countries.
Setting of the Disney movie Up.
Third highest deforestation rate in South America.
Welcome to Venezuela!
Venezuela has a varied climate. The rainy season spans from May to October and dry season from December to April.
Separated into 4 temperate zones. The tropical zone is found below 800 meters, where the average temperature remains quite constant between 26 and 28 degrees. The climatic zone between 800 and 200 meters has an average temperature of 12 to 25 degrees. The zone between 2,000 and 3,000 meters has a temperature that ranges from 9 to 11 degrees, and above 3,000 meters, where snowfields and grasslands are found, has a temperature below 8 degrees. The average temperature of Venezuela as a whole is around 30 degrees Celsius.
Hey Kayla, do you think it hurt when the angel fell from heaven?
I don't know, Jess, but what I do know is where we can go to see angels fall.
Angel Falls is an ecological phenomenon found in the Guayana highlands and is the highest waterfall in the world, as it's 15 times higher than the Niagara Falls and has a free fall of 979 meters.
The water comes from the Churum River at the edge of the Ayantapui Table Mountain, which is the largest mountain in Venezuela. Igneous and ultrametamorphic rock outcrop the northern part of the shield.
What if I want to see more than just rocks?
You could go to the Kainama National Park.
Tell me more!
There's a significant amount of biodiversity. The native Payman people, as well as 118 mammals, 72 reptiles, and 55 amphibians, inhabit the park.
What does it look like?
It's located in the southwest of Venezuela and is the second largest protected area in Venezuela. Also, it is the 6th largest in the world, as it covers 3 million hectares. Numerous rivers, lakes, waterfalls, forests, and savannas shape this park.
Speaking of lakes, let's go to Lake Maracaibo. It's the largest lake in South America and one of the oldest lakes on Earth. That's connected to the Gulf of Venezuela by the Tablazo Strait and other rivers, with the largest being the Catatumbo.
Whoa, the Catatumbo River? Doesn't an atmospheric phenomenon occur there?
Yeah, it does! It's called Catatumbo lightning, which is the world's largest single generator of tropospheric ozone. It's found only over the mouth of the river where it empties into the lake. It happens because of the presence of uranium in the bedrock.
Awesome. I heard it holds the world record for the most lightning bolts per square kilometer per year. That means it occurs 140 to 160 nights a year, for 10 hours a day and up to 280 times per hour. The energy burst has the capability to power all the light bulbs in Latin America.
Yeah, it originates from a mass of storm clouds and wind blowing across the lake and surrounding swampy plains. The winds meet the high mountain ridges of the Andes, Perijá Mountains, and the Meridas Cordillera, which encloses the plain from 3 sides. Heat and moisture collected across the plain creates electrical charges, and air masses are destabilized at mountain ridges. Thus, the continual thunderstorms are formed.
It stopped from January to April in 2010 due to drought, though, so let's hope that doesn't happen again. So what were you saying about Lake Maracaibo?
Just that it's fed by both salt water from the Caribbean and fresh water from surrounding rivers. The lighter fresh water floats over the salt water and forms a dense layer of duckweed on the bottom where nutrients are trapped and settles on the lake floor.
There are also ecological problems that occur in Lake Maracaibo. For example, the basin contains large reserves of crude oil, which makes it a major profit center and leads to heavy oil pollution. When massive volume of oil is removed, the oil-producing areas adjacent to the lake sink and change the geography of the region. Oil companies have built dikes to drain the land in order to build facilities. That's a bad idea though, because it makes the area a potential disastrous earthquake zone, as it will cause soil liquefaction.
That's true. It also holds 97% of Venezuela's raw sewage discharge, which is quite harmful.
Other than that, Venezuela is an awesome place to visit. We hope to see you on our next trip.
After all, it's all about you. Vamos a Venezuela!